So hey Sterling family, what's up? Welcome back to Pro Sterling. So guys, as you all remember that in our last gameplay video, we explored the city and finished starting 2 missions of the game. So guys, without any wait or delay, let's start the next mission. Before starting the mission guys, I want to request you that please subscribe my channel because half of the percentage of my viewers has not subscribed my channel. So guys, please go and subscribe my channel and press the notification icon. So guys, these two weapons I have now, pump shotgun and pistol. Pistol though guys, you know that I got this from the first mission, but I don't know from where I got the pump shotgun, but now it's mine, so no worries. So guys, use X to duck while in the car. What's this? Let's try. Okay guys, it's duck while in the vehicle. Okay, so guys, first I'll mark the location to S, as guys most of the missions of the GTA 5 starts from S, and S is the premium deluxe motorsport. Okay, let's take left, right, and now as you can guys see that we've reached premium deluxe motorsport. And no, it's not parking. Okay,
You're a racist.
What?
You don't like me because you
yeah
think
guy,
am an
I don't like you bro.
No.
Seriously, I don't like you.
Excuse me.
Wait.
Jokes part. So guys, let's skip it and now go to the house. So guys, now you can see in the map also the yellow circle, that is the house. I don't know, I think it's not Franklin's house. Let's see. Let's take left from here. Hayabusa. So guys, now I think we are going to reach Michael's house. We have 4 characters, Franklin and Michael and 2 more, but that 2 more I will tell you later. And we can also change our character, I will show you right now. And guys, the mission is to find a way to enter into the house. So guys, we have to enter the house but without opening the gate. We can't open it, it's locked.
So here guys, I am finding a way to enter into the house.
And guys, you can see here are 4 characters, but now it's available only one, that is Franklin. But later on Michael will also unlock, and later on other 2 characters also. So guys, I now entered the house. Take out the gardener. Okay, press Ctrl to enter stealth mode. Okay, when in stealth mode, moving around will generate less noise. This means guys, in the stealth mode when we move or something run, it will create less noise. And when in stealth mode moving around, okay, sneak behind an enemy when unarmed and while holding. Okay guys, it makes remind PUBG to me. Knockout. Okay, so guys, let's go inside the house. As you can see, marked location on the map with a blue circle. Let's go inside. Oh shit. So guys, the door is locked. Let's try to go from the garage. Hope garage will be open. Oh no. So guys, garage is also locked. It's okay guys, no worries. Let's go from the back of the house, from swimming pool or some that area. And there's also one window. Let's try. No guys, it's also locked. To reach the open window, okay guys, there is an open window above. Climb onto the car. Okay, climb on the roof. And guys, this is the voice of Michael, and he's fighting with his personal wife.
Jimmy called me a bitch!
Oh shit. Oh, safe bro. Avoid letting residents. Okay, so guys, we had to retrieve the car from the garage. I mean, we have to rob the car from the garage without any making noise. Okay, let's go downstairs and enter stealth mode.
Brother is such a homo.
Franklin, move fast. Blue sound blips on the radar indicate how much sound you are generating. Okay,
Thank you, coach.
so guys, you can see there in the kitchen, that is Michael's kitchen, where Michael and his wife are standing, and I think they are fighting. Here's the garage and car. Take the car to dealership. Okay, so guys, now we are taking the car to dealership. Dealership means that premium deluxe motorsport. Oh guys, what's this?
That's a 9
Oh,
millimeter semi-automatic.
guys, as you can see in the car, he's Michael. The person sitting behind is Michael. That the person who is holding gun.
Come on, man, this wasn't real.
That is Michael.
Guy was behind on his fucking note. Unlikely.
But
Considering
what's
my
this
son
scene?
just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud. A credit fraud?
I don't understand what they are speaking about. Okay, let's take left. The route is marked actually. So I'm moving according to the route, guys.
Hey man, it's Jess up here.
Okay. Stop the car. Pull up.
Hothead!
Stop!
Hostias!
Open your eyes! That the place?
Yes, bro.
Place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fuck.
So guys, ramp to the dealership window. Dealership, that is, guys, you can see a corner motorsport. What do we have to do? Press R to toggle focus on the window. Okay, we are going to no, it's not parking here. What do we have to do now? I think we have to go from the back of this showroom. No. Okay guys, I think we are going to, okay, we have to broke this glass.
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
I also don't know. It's, bro, I am not doing this. It's Michael's. Oh, I got dollars. Thanks, Michael, thanks. Okay, beat up Simon. So guys, our character has been changed. Now Franklin is Michael. I mean, I am now playing the role of Michael, and we had to fight with this lammer. I think he's a lammer. Okay. Oh. So guys, I think mission, yes. So guys, mission is passed without any restrictions or anything else, and also I got dollars. So guys, let's move to the next mission. So I am going to mark the location on M, that is Michael's house, that M from Michael. So I am going to reach Michael's house. I will take that bike, R15. I think it's Suzuki, I don't know properly. So guys, tell me in the comment section which bike is this. Is this Suzuki something or that R15? I actually don't have much knowledge about the bikes, so tell me guys in the comment section. And now, bro, the speed of the bike is nice. Oh shit. Oh bro. Okay, so guys, we are now reached Michael's house. Okay, here's the Michael's house. I think now we will enter the house very respectfully. Yes guys, now we entered the house with respect, and this is Michael's house, you can see, and this is Michael's bed. Sleep in the bed to save your game. Okay, so guys, by sleeping on the bed we can save our game also, as we say load game in Vice Cities. So let's go inside with one pistol. Oh, where's my that shotgun? I didn't throw it. It's okay guys, let's sorry, let's go inside. Oh,
You're such a fucking dictator! Why the fuck not? He's
this is Michael, guys, enjoying Sunday, I think, pool. Jimmy. So guys, Jimmy is Michael's son. Jim.
Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it.
I think guys, Jim is in the dangerous, I mean he is in risk.
Hiding it.
So Michael has now $7860. Before the last mission, Michael only have 680. Now I have 7860. I mean to say that I got much money from that mission. Okay, so get in the Amanda's car, and guys, you can see now Franklin and Michael both are each other's friend, and they are going to save the Jim. Jim means Jimmy, Michael's son. Jimmy, Michael's son. Oh, nice car. Not much nice, but it's okay. Better than before. Go to Pacific Bulbs. Okay. So guys, let's going to Pacific Bulbs.
Don't ever have kids.
Hey man, look, if I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise.
Okay, let's take left.
Privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in the bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing, self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
Oh, safe.
No, thank you.
Alright, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Real. Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to
Okay,
impress some
let's take
second-hand
turnabout.
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right?
That you
Okay, we are nearer to that point.
are, my friend.
Shortcut. Oh, bro.
Oh, there it is.
The yacht of Jim has been stolen. Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
And I think go get Franklin close to the yacht. Okay.
once I get
Oh boy, heavy driver.
to the boarding party,
More like the falling in traffic party.
you'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
With closed eyes, he's driving, yaar. Seriously. Oh, Franklin jumped. Okay, nice man. Oh, shit. Okay, press. Okay, it's I know. Now, guys, we are going to follow that truck. Franklin is fighting with that thief.
Oh, they did. They fucking shot the engine. Fuck.
Shut. Oh, nice.
Hey, stop throwing assholes at me. You know who you're stealing from? Shit, don't find him.
Shoot the thief. So guys, now I have to shoot the thief. I mean, Michael have to shoot the thief that with whom the Franklin is fighting, that girl. Okay, actually guys, my aim is not much. Oh, nice. Chase the yacht. Thief. So guys, the thief is dead now. I shoot her. Chase the yacht. Okay.
Now look for my
So guys, now we are very close to that yacht. That is Franklin and Jim. Jim means Jimmy.
Jimmy. Kid,
Oh
watch
shit.
out for the boom.
Jimmy is in risk.
Hold on.
Help. Okay, help, bro, help. Catch Jimmy. Oh, guys, we have to catch Jimmy now. Oh, safe. Nice. Catch Jimmy. Oh,
Shit. You better hope she's still sick.
one more got.
Hey, you asshole. The fuck are you doing? Yay.
So, guys, I think now we have to save Franklin or stop the truck by puncturing the tires of the truck.
Come on. Hey, get the off the damn thing. Hey, close. Hey, get right up the back of that thing.
Let's move more fast. Shoot the tires. But guys, I am unable to puncture the tires of the truck. Let's over. Oh shit. Guys, speed of the truck is nice, man.
Hey, get right up the back of that thing. Hey, get right up.
Not nice, much nice, very nice, beautiful nice. Everything nice.
Hey, close, man. Too close. God, they're getting away. Fuck. Whoa. Hey, get right up the back of that thing. Can't keep up. Here, man. Get close. Fucking this up.
Oh, what's this? Shit. I think I.
Don't be all butthurt.
Oh my god, shit. Mission failed. Michael, don't save everyone. Everyone? I saved Jimmy. Catch Franklin. I mean, we are going to save the Franklin from that yacht. And after this, the mission will be completed. So, guys, let's go nearer to that truck. Guys, Michael has saved now Jimmy as well as Franklin. Now both are safe and Michael was already safe. So guys, mission is completed now.
All fucking board? Let's stop this shit.
So guys, thank you for the watching my video. Subscribe my channel if not, and like the video if you liked, and share my video as much as you can. So guys, thank you so much. Tada, bye bye, take care.
Fearless.